Yeah, good morning, children. Now, today it is a continuation again of ancient civilization of India. And now, next, how was the social system at that time? Social system of Vedic age. See, even here, I told you about the everything is over, right? So, okay, now social system. So, social system, you see, in Vedic period, there is no like specifically told about anything like Varna system and all. What is this Varna system? Varna system means like we are having the four divisions in Hindus, right? We have Brahmana, Kshatriyas, then Vaishnavas, and this one, what Shudras. That is our caste system, right? So there is that caste system of Hindus is called Varna. So this Varna system, about Varna or anything, nothing is prescribed in any of the written scripture of Vedas. We are not finding anywhere. It had come afterwards. In no Vedas it is written about this division and all. Actually, then what happened later on, how it was, like they believed that one Purusha, Adi Purusha, okay, they believe that Adi Purusha is there, and before I start this, which were the classes which were there at that time? So there was first division was aristocracy. Aristocracy means all the kings and all. And next one was the priestly class. And the common people. So this was a division. The first division was aristocracy. Second one was priestly class and common. Aristocracy means all royal people. Those were very rich, like kings, queens, and all will be those one. And priestly class, they were performing rituals to gods and Vedas and all, recitation, all that, and teaching part. And common people were the farmers and other people. Okay. So now, next what happened? They believed that Adi Purusha is there. Adi Purusha. They believed in Adi Purusha, and they also, one second, children. Yes, this Adi Purusha is being prescribed in the 10th mandala of Rig Veda. So, how it is believed? Suppose Purusha is a human being, right? So they thought that it is a this one creation, and so their head was the Brahmanas, shoulders were the Kshatriyas, then thighs was the Vaishyas, and next the feet was the Shudras. So in this way it is divided. Mouth, sorry, not head, mouth, sorry. Mouth was Brahmanas. Okay. And shoulders were Kshatriyas, and thigh were Vaishyas, and feet were the Shudras. So all this is one only, but they made it their belief, their this one performer was in this way. Mouth was Brahmana, shoulders were Vaishyas, then thighs were shoulders were Kshatriyas, thighs were Vaishyas, and feet was Shudras. And next what happened is, next we see there were some tribal groups. Okay, tribal groups were yes, tribal groups were Dasyus, and the local tribal groups were named groups were Dasyu, Pani, and Dasa. And they were formed in the Shudra Varga. Varga means division. They were grouped under Shudra Varga. Who were there? Dasyu, Pani, and Dasa. So this was, they were grouped under the Shudra Varga, which was the Adi Purusha's feet. And next, what happened? These Aryans came and they defeated them, like in the war, and they made them, they dominated and they defeated them, and they considered these groups like their slaves, and thereafterwards they were starting them dominating. So next was what? And the first three varnas, and what happened? The first three varnas, that were, those were Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, and Vaishyas, were considered as the part of the society, and this group was completely like it was not named under any varna or anything like that. So okay, so next one was, and the here, from here onwards, what happened? Social discrimination started. So actually, first beginning of Rig Veda, this kind of caste system and all was not there. Then later on, what happened? They created Adi Purusha. Mouth was Brahmanas, and shoulders were Kshatriyas, thighs were Vaishyas, and feet were Shudras. So what happened? These tribals who were there at that time, Dasyu, Pani, and Dasas and all, these groups were again dominated by the Aryans, and they were made as their slaves. And from there onwards, social discrimination started. Got it? Next, we go to the economic system of Vedic period. Yes. Economic system. Now we see, yes. So economic system means what? Economy means about their wealth, the living status and all that. So we see in Rigvedic period, it is compliant like having more number of horses, camels, sheep. Few animals were for wealth, they were compliant under the wealth, this one. So like horses, camels, sheep and all. So these were whoever had more number of such animals were considered as rich people. So few animals. So whoever they had, no, they were. And about land accumulation and all, nothing is being prescribed. So here we see the emergence. So anyone who could obtain a land and could have the importance of cattle was given. And next, economy. Importance of cattle was given. Those who owning more number of camels, horses, and sheep was mainly considered as wealth. And next we see the expansion of agriculture. They also expanded their agriculture. Please note down the points, children. Next we see the expansion of agriculture. Then we are seeing the, now here we come, and they were also using metals like iron, then this one, charcoal. They even melted this one, melting metals, and this alloy. They also mixed the metals and created a few things. And this alloy was called as ayas. Okay. And the language now, children, it is fully blend with European, Indian, and other this thing. And it's a mixing of such kind of language was there. And next we see here, and the word Pani was, and local rich tribe was referred as Pani. Okay. Next is, you see, the third one is that they the land was called as Kshetra, and the one who did on that was called, agriculture was called as Krishi. Land was known as Kshetra and cultivation was called as Krishi. Cultivation was called as Krishi. Okay. So next we see the, and what and all they used? They used bulls. Yeah, they used to pull the water from the wells, no? To pull the water from the wells. they used stone pulleys, then they also used wooden cups were used to pull the water. Okay. Next, how did they did the agriculture? So what happened? The land was called as kshetras and the cultivation was called as krishi. And to pull the water from the well, no, they used the stone pulleys and to round it and to drag the water from the well for the agriculture, and also wooden cups to drag the water. And next we see the canals were also built. Yeah. So what happened after dragging the water, they were putting into the canals. Broad canals were used at that time. So this technique was used to give the water for the fields. And we see underground water also was preserved in the wells, like different tanks like structures were constructed and water was preserved. And wells were used for irrigation purpose. They were pulling the water from the stone pulleys and wooden cups. Big wooden cups will be there, no? That one. And agriculture, land was called as kshetra and the cultivation was called as krishi. And here we see they were busy in expanding their agriculture. They used iron, charcoal, then they used some alloys also. Alloy is nothing but the mixing of one or two or more metals, and these alloys were called as ayas. Okay. And next they also, the local rich tribal was called as pani. Next we go to the political system. So children, I think again I will recall everything, this Rig Veda, so that you will be not having confusion, and I will end up the class. So first one is about Rig Veda. I told you it had come from the previous class only. I revised once again. I am telling you, Rig Veda started from 1500 BC to 700 BCE. It was two divisions were there. The first part was from 1500 to 1000 years. Second part was 1000 years to 7000 BCE. First one is called the beginning of Rig Veda. The second one is called post beginning of Rig Vedic period. And in this period, what happened? These Vedas were there. Vedas are nothing but and from where these people had come, Aryans had come. So Aryans had come from Europe to Afghanistan, from Iran and Afghanistan, and that extended from Doyab to Hindukush, and Hindukush mountain is in Afghanistan, and from there to Doyab, and Doyab to here in Uttar Pradesh, it extended till there. Okay, Vedic culture. And next, when you see this Vedic period, what happened? Again, it is having four Vedas, that is Rig Veda, Sama Veda, then see which were there? Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda, and this one, what you call Atharva Veda. Okay, and then we see here in this Vedas, the text of the Vedas are known as Brahmanas, and these had 10 mandalas and 1028 shuktas. Shuktas are nothing but the prayers, and these prayers, after chanting this one, that created some black magic and super sensory. Okay, mantras ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಅದೇನೇ ಇದು, and that one created some super sensory black magics and all. And next we see the language used were blend with so many European and other things, everything it was blend with that, and that kind of language was created here. And we see first it was oral like, and then when they were writing, no, with lot of changes, it was written. And next we come to the social system of this social life of this Vedic period. Here, nothing at the beginning, beginning of Rig Veda, nothing about the caste system or nothing was there. Then later on, what happened? Adi Purusha. In that Adi Purusha, they believed that mouth is Brahmanas, shoulders are Kshatriyas, and thighs are Vaishyas, and feet is Shudras. And in Shudras, what happened? The tribals, those were Dasyus and Dasa, Pani, and all, they were there. These Aryans defeated these tribals and they made them as their slaves. And so, what happened? After that, what happened? These three categories that were Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, and Vaishyas were considered the group of the social society, and the Shudras, they were completely neglected. So, from there onward, social discrimination started. And their economic system, if you see, they were like wealth wise, if you see, the wealth accumulation was nothing but about land and all, it was not there, but the accumulation of more number of animals like horses, camels, that was considered more here. And next, agriculture was expanded. Agriculture was expanded more. And during this time, the land was called as Kshetra and the cultivation was known as Krishi. And now the tribal, rich tribal local was called as Pani. And next we see here the wells were used and underground water was used. They were preserving the underground water, and this well water was pulled by the wooden cups and stone pulleys. So up to here I explained, children. So in the next class I will be explaining about their politicals and other things. So with this I end up my class, children. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.